Božjo besedo.
So he spoke God's word.
Zato je govoril Božjo besedo.
Did anything happen?
A se je kaj zgodilo?
Not yet.
Ne še.
So for the rest of the day, every time he saw her, he said, "Come here, let me pray for your thumb."
Cel tisti dan, vsakič, ko je videl, rekel, prid sem, dajmo spet govoriti o tvoj palec.
He said the same thing.
In je rekel isto stvar.
He said, "Devil, you're a liar.
Je rekel, hudič, ti si lažnivec.
God's word is true.
Božja beseda je resnica.
Thumb be healed."
Palec bodi ozdravljen.
Okay, so 3 days go by.
Čez 3 dni,
And he's been speaking to this thumb.
že 3 dni govori temu palcu.
Now on the 3rd day,
In zdaj tretji dan,
when he speaks,
ko on govori,
lightning strikes.
nekrat strela prbije.
The air is electrified.
Zrak je naelektrificiran.
He's speaking with what do you call it? Passion.
On govori s strastjo.
Devil!
Hudič,
You're a liar!
ti si lažnivec.
God's word is true.
Božja beseda je resnica.
Thumb be healed.
Palec bodi ozdravljen.
And it was.
In je bil.
Her thumb healed.
Ta palec je bil zdravljen.
It didn't happen the first time he spoke.
Prvič, ko je rekel, še ni bilo.
And if I got you to speak like that here in front of everybody,
Če bi jaz rekel, da tako govori pred vsemi,
only a few of you would be
samo
bold
ena
enough
par
to
od
do that.
vas bi bilo dosti pogumni.
But when you get in your car,
Ampak, ko greš tu v svoj avto,
or you get at home alone,
ko priješ domov in si sam doma,
you speak loud to the devil.
govori na glas hudiču.
Because you've got authority.
Zato, ker imaš ti avtoriteto.
You don't have to yell,
Niti treba kričati.
but he needs to know you're serious.
Ampak on mora vedeti, da ti resno misliš.
That you're really
Da
serious.
si res resen.